Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video, we will be learning about French numbers. How do we pronounce these numbers? So let's begin. Here we have numbers from 1 to 20. So 1 is pronounced as UN is on. Then 2 is the, 3 is trois, trois. 4 is cat, cat. Then 5 is sank, sank. 6 is cease, cease. 7 is set, set. And 8 is wheat, wheat. 9 is nuff, nuff. And 10 is these, these. 11 is owns, owns. 12 is do's, do's. Then 13 is thralls, thralls. 14 is quatorze, quatorze. 15 is cans, cans. And 16 is salves, salves. 17 is decent. 17 is made up of two numbers, that is 10 and 7. So these and set. So D set is 17. Then 18 is these with. It is 10 and 8. These with. These with. Then 19 is this now. It is 10 and 9. That is this now. And 20 is when. 20 is when. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So thank you for watching this video. Something else I'll be sharing you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.